floor of the CME Group on August 2nd, Tuesday. Top-notch trading coming in back from vacation. And for MrTopStep today, I just want to give you a real quick runaround what Top Notch does with his family on vacation, because he likes to forget and leave this stuff behind. Cleveland Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, Gettysburg, Harrisburg for the Civil War Museum, out to Washington, D.C., Air and Space Museum, back to Baltimore, Orioles game. From Orioles to White Plains, New York to visit some family, and on the trip back, stop by the Niagara Falls. Talk about fun, 2,400 miles on that trip, ladies and gentlemen, but my family and I had a wonderful time. It was great to do. It's good to forget about stuff that's going on. So anyway, talk about the stuff that's going on. I'm looking at the swings these markets are making. I see yesterday the NASDAQ has a 72 handle range. The SPY has a 34 handle range. Oh my God, the volatility, it's alive and kicking. But the volatility brings plenty of opportunities. And the opportunities you have to take a stalk and pounce approach to, because you just can't throw them out there and trade to trade. So with this in mind, this is what Top Notch is looking for if they decide to take out that last low of June 16th at 52.5 in the S&P. Because you go further down, and we had the year low made down there. And now this is the big contract on the regular session. They have a trend line now at 63.70 in that SPY. That's key. However, there are different levels in the E-mini. So the E-mini right now has a trend line underneath at 59.80. Now granted, both of those targets are above that 52.5 low. So with that in mind though, we go back to what was the lead month year low for the S&P. The charts show 12.49 even in the big, 46.5 in the mini. And to be honest with you, I'm really looking for that possibility to 46, especially if they can't get this budget deal done. So with that in mind, we're going to still sit there, and we're trading in a fairly large range, and we never came close up to a 6-week high of about 57 even, and all the way down to that 52.5. I come in last week, and the NASDAQ makes another year contract high, all the way up to 24.35 even. My goodness, the tech sector, I guess these earnings reports are coming out a little bit better. But to see these things move like they are, yes, there is some danger in here. You can get squashed like a little bug, or you can be make a ton of money if you use a trading strategy. Using stops is a must. And now I'll go to the bonds. These bonds, 2 handles yesterday with the 24-hour. Come on, give me a break. I saw one day on the charts where they had a 3.5 points in one day. Boy, the trading is some treacherous moves right now. And like I said, we have to see some final input into what they're going to do. Overall, look it, we're in the month of August. The month of August is usually very slow. Today, as a matter of fact, with little economic data, which actually has been keying lots of the move that hasn't been coming out good, and that's what's seen us drift lower, has been the main focal point. Until we can get some kind of satisfaction from this budget deal, I expect to see unexpected moves. So being a trader, have that in the back of your mind. Expect the unexpected. Good trading. We'll be back next week.